Thanks for watching Down the Road We Go. This is a special In the Shop episode, and in this episode we're going to look at the Montana high country that has air conditioning ducts in the ceiling. So if you own a Montana high country and you have those type of ducts, you're going to want to watch this video. So let's find out how to fix the air conditioning ducts. Okay, what we're going to do today is look at the air conditioner ducts because the 2017 Montanas have a problem with the air conditioning return ducts. That's what these are here. There's this duct and there's one on the other side. Apparently, when they put them together, they don't do it right. It's Montana. And it collapses and there's no way for the air to return to the compressor, so that's why your air conditioner freezes up and cuts off, cuts on, cuts off, cuts on. It's because it can't get enough air to breathe. So the first thing we do is we want to take this vent off, and with a little screwdriver just stick it up there. And you want to be careful not to break these tabs that are on. We've had that one off, so it popped off easy. Doesn't normally pop off that easy. And there is a filter on here that we're cleaning right now, which you'll have to clean. The next thing is to take out all these screws and take this part off. So we'll get to that. Okay, now what we're going to do is take this screen out here so we can get up to it. Apparently at the factory they stripped out these two screws, so we're going to have to mess around. And it's going to take a while, so I'll come back when I got them out. Okay, after messing around trying to get the strip screw out, I finally got it where I can get it out of there. And that takes that off. Now let's look up in there and see how much room there is not. Okay, as you can see on the wall, close to the wall, there's no, I mean, it's right down on it, but that's all right because the duct actually runs along the ceiling towards the air conditioner. So what we want to do is turn this way and look, and guess what, it's also down on it. There's not, it's a finger width of air going through there, so that's why the air conditioners aren't working. So let's see if we can fix that with some PVC pipe. So we'll be back. Okay, what we've got here is two pieces of PVC pipe that are 4 inches long. They're 1 1/4 PVC. And what we're going to do is stuff them up in here, one here and one here, in between the ducts. And what that's going to do is push the ceiling up and open up that duct, and we'll have plenty of airflow then. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, what we're going to do is put this PVC pipe, 2 of them, up in here. We'll have to push it up. You want to push gently because this is foam up here. Push it up. I put it in sideways like that and kind of roll it over. Stuff it in there. Now let's put the other one up the same way. Now we've got plenty of room. Here, I'll show you. Hang on a second. Okay, now we've got that pipe up in there. This is what it looks like. As you can see, that pipe's over in the corner, and boy is it lifted it up. I mean, you had a finger's length room. Now you got 1 1/4 at least. And you got one on this side. I hope y'all can see it. I'm kind of close quarters with this GoPro. But now that air conditioner should really put out some cold air because just like us, it has to breathe, and it was not breathing. It was struggling to suck air. So that's the end of this In the Shop video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you subscribe and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to click the little bell next to it so that you'll get more of these videos. And I'm going to put a card up the top there where you can click on our series for In the Shop videos. So take care and have a good time going down the road. As down the road we go, and maybe a little cooler now. Thanks for watching, guys.